I spent a couple of hours creating something pretty cool, I think, this morning. Let me demonstrate it by going to plugins and searching for Vibe coding and install this guy. What this guy basically is, it's a software development AI agent. And if I now go to manage, I go to machine learning. I add a new type here, call it vibing out. Then you see here in flavors, I can choose now vibe coder as a flavor. And that one is being pulled in by the vibe coder plugin. So now if I choose this guy and I click save, I basically have a vibe coder AI agent. But I probably want to only allow root users to access it, because every single function in it requires a root user. So now if I open up my AI expert system, I can open it up from here, for instance, and I log in with a root user, crucial, then I get to choose this guy. Now I can ask it, what can you do? At which point it's going to list all of its functions. And all of these functions basically allows me to somehow modify the file system within the Cloudlet and execute SQL and change its state. So it's basically a software development plugin. That's what it is. So now if I ask it to help me create software, then it will help me. So let's start. I am a dentist. I need a micro CRM. To help me manage my clients. Suggest an SQLite DDL and display it to me as a mermaid shark. So now let's see what it comes up with. Okay, clients, appointments, and treatments. And here we have clients as the root guy, first name, last name, phone, email, date of birth, address, notes. Drop the notes field on clients. Drop the treatments table and create a new table called notes that has a one-to-many relationship towards clients. Let's see what it comes up with. Looks good. Create a database named dentist CRM and execute the DDL. So now if we go back to our Cloudlet here and we choose create and we choose SQL Studio, we now have a new database, and that database is called Dentist CRM, contains 3 tables. But if I select anything, then it's still empty, right? So I can tell my AI agent to populate the database with example data. So now if I execute it again, you will see, okay, now I have 3 clients, Alice, Bob, and Carol. Now what we want to do, we want to generate HTTP Web API endpoints that are wrapping this database. I want to create an HTTP endpoint that allows me to select clients from dentist CRM database with optional paging and sorting. Allow for pattern matching filtering on first name and last name. Let's see what it comes up with now. So now what it's doing now, it's invoking our Hyperlambda generator LLM, our own custom LLM that actually produces the code. Please provide me with the name of the module. Did we create? No, we didn't. Create a new module called Dentist CRM and put the code inside of clients.get.hl in this module. So now let's see what it's doing after it's done here and now. Now if you refresh here, modules, dentist CRM, clients.get.hl. There's something wrong with it. What's wrong? Okay, this is just pure bullshit. Show me the code. Delete all the code. Let's see now if we close it and open it up again. And I think it deleted the file. Okay. Create a new file, generate hyper lambda for an HTTP endpoint that returns clients from dentist CRM database with optional paging. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's go a little bit slower. And this looks much better. Save this hyper lambda to that file. Clients-paged. Okay, it renamed my file, doesn't matter. If I now refresh modules, dentist CRM, clients paged, here you see. So now I have code that I can execute immediately, and it allows for optional paging, and it retrieves items from my dentist CRM database, specifically clients. I want you to create an HTTP endpoint that inserts clients into my database. Now, hopefully it's going to remember what database I'm talking about and what table. So let's see what it comes up with. First name, last name, phone, email, date of birth, address. Looks legit. Add, create values, inserting into values, getting all arguments. Looks good. So now I have paged read access. I've got the ability to create items. I've got the ability to delete items. I could also have the ability updating items. Okay, let's do full CRUD. And let's refresh and verify we have all 4 files here. Clients paged, clients delete, looks almost good. You can also change code from here using AI. Validator is mandatory. And then of course I need a file level comment if I want to use this resulting thing in an AI agent. Now I can save the guy, right? So clients delete looks good, post looks good. I guess we could simplify it, right? But in general terms, it's very good. Update, let's see what the update does. Okay, let's first name, last name, phone, email, date of birth, address, adding that into values, where ID equals, and it looks legit. And let's do client's page. Then we've already looked at that guy, and we got fairly good file level comments. We could maybe create slightly better ones, but okay. We now have 4 CRUD operations. Now I can go to manage. I can go to machine learning, and I can create a new type. Call it dentist CRM. Turn it into an AI agent, and I can add 4 functions to it. And the point being, of course, dentist CRM, client's page, install, clients install, HTTP post clients install, and put clients installed, and save it. And now I can refresh this guy, and I have a dentist CRM AI agent. List all clients. And there we go. Now if I refresh and do list all clients, you will see it inserted my Thomas Hansen. And the point being, I created this AI agent using another AI agent. So I was using natural language all the way to create my software, and then to add it into a new AI agent that is like the final delivery that possibly a client of mine would want, right? And I'm done.